this video, we'll cover creating an alignment from an object. And we'll start by creating the object in which we'll create our alignment from. So type PL for polyline and draw the object. Once you're through, you zoom out. This is the alignment object. This is the polyline object that we are going to create an alignment from. If you go to the alignment icon here at the home tab at the create design panel and you click on the alignment command there, you will see create alignment from objects. And if you click that, you're prompted to select either a line, arc, or polyline. So those are the objects from which we can create an alignment, a line, arc, or a polyline. So I'm prompted to select that. Once I select it, I can click on enter. And then you will see an arrow that shows how the alignment is going to follow. It's going to start from this end, going towards this end. If you want it to start from this end as our station 0, going this way, we can click on reverse or we can type on R and enter. But right now we want it to go this way. So I just click enter. And then I get a dialog box showing me the parameters I need to input. First, here I'm prompted to select an alignment name. I can type in RD-1 for road 1. And then I can select the type of alignment which I want to create. We can either create a center line alignment, an offset alignment, a curb return, rail, or miscellaneous. Right now, we want to create a center line alignment. So I select a center line alignment. And if I want to put a description for this alignment, I can type in a description. And then down here, next to the description is the starting station. You can start your alignment from station 0. If you wanted to start from station 10 or 0 plus 020, you can do that also. You can change this. You can type to what you want to start from. For now, I want to start from station 0. Then down here at the general tab, we have a site. We can place alignments on sites. And placing an alignment on a site enables a site to interact with parcels. There are several 3D objects called parcels. And if you pass through an alignment which is in the same site as a parcel, it divides the parcel into two. So currently we do not have parcels and we do not want to assign a site to our alignment. So we leave that option to none. The next one is the alignment style. We can choose an alignment style from all this array of styles provided here. I go with the proposed style. And then alignment layer, we can also assign a different layer or we can create a new layer if you want to. I'm okay with the alignment being on C road. We can put a modifier, either a prefix or a suffix to the layer to get a new layer from this C road. Currently, let's just have it at C road. And then labels, we do have alignment label styles here. All labels, no labels, major and minor labels. So let's put major and minor labels to see what happens. And then here, the conversion options. These are the conversions options that will be performed on this polyline. The first option is add curves between tangents. Tangents are these straight lines. And the default radius for these curves will be 200 meters. So when we convert this polyline into an alignment, this is what will happen. Between these two tangents, we'll have a curve and its default radius will be 200 meters. Another conversion option is the erase existing entity. That is checked, meaning once the alignment will be created from this object, the existing object, which is the polyline, will be erased. And once I'm through with this, I can click OK. There's another tab next here, which we can assign a design criteria. For now, we won't. Let's just click OK. There you go. The proposed style has been selected, has been used to create this alignment. And here, the label we also selected for major and minor is now displayed. And that's how we create an alignment from an object.